I'm Herman Vega from ISE Pro, and today I'm gonna show you like what we are showing here at ISE Barcelona 2023. So we have a new product, a new QuattroPod product transmitter, which is able now to be integrated with conference system. So we have our camera, or it could be camera or speaker all in one conference system, and then we just plug this all in one solution into our receiver over here, and then we can send the signal back to the transmitter over there. As you can see, we have a transmitter receiving that signal, a camera signal, to this transmitter, and we can like this transmitter can be detected as a camera from our computer, and then we can also share the screen from our transmitter to that receiver. So it's gonna be like a transceiver solution, like now we are getting the signal from the camera, and then we can share it to the monitor over there. Okay, and let me show you a different product. It's also a new product. It's a QuattroPod Lite 2. It's a dongle version. So if you're using a computer with HDMI output, video output, you can just plug the transmitter, and you can also then you have a USB Type-C port to power it. Okay, and then if your computer has a Type-C video output, you just plug in, and then it will transmit from your it will send the signal from your transmitter to the receiver. It's also a dongle type, the receiver, which is connected to the monitor on this side. Hope you guys enjoy like this presentation. You can visit our website, isecastpro.com.